going on, everybody? I've been a little under the weather, and that's why I haven't posted a video in a while. You can probably tell by the way I sound. But I just wanted to go over a couple things, and that's credit cards and contracts. Now, when it comes to credit cards, almost every legit company accepts debit and or credit cards. That's just how people run their businesses. You got to accept debit or credit cards. Not many people have checks. Not many people pay with cash anymore. Everybody pays with a banking account or a credit card. Now, some of these scammers, and I'm not mentioning anybody's name, I promise you, throughout this whole video, I'm not going to mention any names, but they'll encourage you not to use a credit card. Well, the thing is, if you're doing credit repair, it's not just about deleting negative information off your credit report. It's also about building credit. If you have credit cards and you're not using those credit cards to pay for the credit repair, now this is for the people that can, then you're just missing out. I mean, you should be using your credit card to pay for everything. You should not use your debit card to pay for anything, because a credit card is way more secure and it's backed more than a bank card. Trust me, somebody steals money from your bank account, you're going to get it back more than likely, but it is an aggravating process. With a credit card, you can almost guarantee you are going to get your money back. Now, when it comes to contracts, you can run a business from a state that you do not reside in. 100% legal. 100% legal. I'm not 100% sure. I think you can do business outside of the U.S. There's a lot more that goes into it. But when it comes to credit repair, whether they are mailing you a contract or electronically uploading a contract, that is 100% illegal when it comes to credit repair. So, that being said, if you're doing business with a company for credit repair that operates outside of the United States, let's just say a great example would be they say they're in New York or they say they're in California. Okay, obviously, if they're running a scammy business in another country, they don't want you to know they're in another country, because you're probably not going to want to sign up for their services, no matter how good they sound on YouTube, and no matter how many people they're paying to review their services. So y'all just be careful when it comes to signing up for these companies that tell you not to use a credit card. That's the dumbest thing ever. I don't care what anybody says. You should use your credit card to pay for absolutely everything that you buy. I'm telling you. Anybody that knows about credit will tell you that. Use your credit card. And be careful with these agreements, these contracts with these credit repair companies. Sometimes they're not even real. It's a copy and paste, something they got offline, and they just put their company's information on there. That does not make it legit. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great weekend.